Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect SmartThings to Samsung TV. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install SmartThings app. Open SmartThings app. Devices. Add. TV. Select your TV. Enter PIN. Down. Log in to your Samsung account. Down. Now you can control your TV via your phone. That's it. Now you know how to connect SmartThings to Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.